Ryan Reynolds has confirmed Deadpool 3 is actually in the works. Yes, it's actually in the works. It's with Marvel, and this is really, really good news for us, the fans, because we really wanted Deadpool and Deadpool 2. Both were the highest R-rated movies of all time, pretty much, and grossed as a whole over $780 million, and that's like worldwide. So congrats to Ryan Reynolds. I know he worked on this project for a very, very long time. He's very passionate. Thank you, Marvel, and let's do this. Deadpool 3, let's go. Everybody should be like, hell yeah! All right, so get hyped.